Zoom into any photo far enough, and the image disappears. All that's left is a grid of tiny colored squares. Each square is a pixel, short for picture element. It shows exactly one color at a time. And that is the only thing a screen knows how to do. One pixel is just 3 numbers: how much red, how much green, how much blue, 0 to 255 each. Mix them, and 3 bytes give you 16 million colors. Your screen holds millions of these. In memory, they live in one long list, row after row, laid end to end, and the computer repaints every single one, 60 times a second. Which means a photo is just numbers and editing is just math. Brightness, add to every pixel. A filter, a formula run 16 million times. 3 numbers, 1 square, every picture you have ever loved.